If you're a homeowner in CNY, fall just isn't about pumpkin spices and cozy sweaters. It's your final chance to get ahead of costly winter repairs. Every year we get calls from homeowners who waited too long to prep their homes. By the time they notice a roof leak or a frozen pipe, they're already dealing with damage and insurance claims. That's why I always say fall is prevention season. Today, I'll walk you through top home maintenance tips specific to CNY that'll protect your home and your wallet this winter. Number one, clean your gutters and check drainage. Leaves and debris build up fast in our region. And if your gutters are clogged, you could be facing water overflow, ice dams, or even foundation issues. I recommend cleaning them out and checking that your downspouts are directing water away from your home. Number two, schedule a furnace tune-up. Fall in CNY can go from mild to freezing overnight. Before that first cold snap hits, schedule a furnace inspection. A tune-up ensures your system runs efficiently, keeps energy bills lower, and helps avoid costly breakdowns midwinter. Number three, seal up those drafts. Small gaps around windows and doors can lead to big heating losses. Use weather stripping or caulk to seal those leaks. It's a small fix that'll make your home cozier and reduce those energy bills. Bonus tip, check your attic insulation while you're at it. Number four, trim trees and inspect that roof. In CNY, heavy rain and early snow can bring down weakened branches. Trim overhanging limbs to protect your roof, gutters, and vehicles. While you're at it, inspect your roof for missing shingles or signs of wear. Fall is the best time for repairs before winter sets in. Number five, protect outdoor faucets and hoses. Frozen pipes are a real risk here. Drain and disconnect garden hoses, shut off exterior faucets, and use faucet covers to prevent burst pipes and water damage. A little effort now can prevent major expenses later. If you need local referrals for roofers, HVAC pros, or gutter cleaners, I've got a trusted list ready for you. Just call or text me and I'll help you get your home winter ready the smart way.